Final boarding call, final boarding call. And at this time, there will be no more boarding. If you have not crossed that yellow safety line, please do not do so. Another tram will be here shortly. Once again, no more boarding at this time. Looks like this tram is getting ready to depart. Driver, you are clear.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children.
Para tu seguridad, favor de permanecer sentado, con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo tus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro, mientras el tranvía esté en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
Driver, you are clear.
We're now en route to the Disneyland Resort main entrance plaza, gateway to Disneyland Park, Disney California Adventure Park, and the downtown Disney District. If you are here just for the day, one-day park offer ticket offers same-day admission to both Disneyland and Disney California Adventure. If you have more time to spend, multi-day tickets are an especially good value. Maximize your visit by downloading the official Disneyland app to purchase tickets, access park maps, view attraction wait times, and mobile order food for pickup. To provide a more enjoyable experience for everyone who visits, smoking and vaping are not permitted in our theme parks, the Esplanade between the parks, or in the downtown Disney District. If you have brought your own food and beverages, please use the picnic area located just to the left of the Disneyland main entrance. If you plan to leave the park and return later today, please be sure to keep your ticket. Just ahead is the downtown Disney District with exciting shopping, dining, and live entertainment. Just beyond it is Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa, inspired by the famed arts and crafts movement in California. We are now approaching the main entrance plaza. At the end of your visit, please return here to take the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals tram back to the parking area. The trams will continue running until 1 hour after the latest park closing time.
My friends, please remain seated with the doors closed until the tram comes to a full and complete stop. And I have indicated the same exit to the driver's left-hand side, the driver's left-hand side only, please. Once again, please remain seated with those doors closed. Please wait. Wait. Lower your head, watch your step and exit to the driver's left-hand side and the driver's left-hand side only, please.
So the tram must come to a full and complete stop. And please do not attempt to board the tram while it is still in motion. Please wait. Please wait. Welcome aboard. Please lower your head and watch your step.
Hello, everyone. For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving, and supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados, con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro, mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
Driver, you are clear.
If you will be returning to the park later today, please keep your ticket to re-enter. You'll be leaving the guest parking area and returning later today. Just show today's parking ticket to re-enter the parking area. As you travel through our resort, we'd like to remind you that our guest parking areas have a speed limit of 14 miles per hour. We ask that you please observe this speed limit and yield the right-of-way to Disneyland vehicles, whether you're walking or driving. We are now approaching the Mickey and Friends and Pixar stop, which serves the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals parking structures. Please remain seated with the doors closed until the tram comes to a full stop. Then gather your belongings, lower your head, and watch your step, exiting to the driver's right. On behalf of all our cast members, we'd like to thank you for joining us today. Once in your car, please be sure to buckle up and have a happy and safe journey home. This tram will be returning to the main entrance plaza in just a few moments.
As this tram is approaching, please remain seated with those doors closed until the tram has come to a full and complete stop. And I've indicated that it is safe to exit out of the driver's right-hand side and the driver's right-hand side only. Once again, please remain seated with those doors closed until the tram has come to a full and complete stop. Please wait. Please wait. Almost there. Please wait. Gather your belongings, lower your head, and watch your step as you're exiting to the driver's right-hand side and the driver's right-hand side only.
Yeah.